This is the June BirchBox. This edit is called All Bodies Are Good Bodies, so let's see what they've given me this month. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing very well today. Today's video I have this. So this is the June BirchBox. Let's get it out of here. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well, just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. Here is, oh, I like it. Here is the box. We have women, all different shapes and sizes. Cool. What an interesting box. Yeah, should we have a little sneak peek? I think we should. This is inside the box. I'm sorry if you can hear any outdoor noise. I'm sitting right next to a window and I've got it open because it is hot. But yeah, this is inside the box. This is the edit card. It just says this edit is called All Bodies Are Good Bodies. Yes, they definitely are. This has information on all the products in the box, so we will be looking at this throughout the video. And there is a sneak peek for you. But let's have a proper dig through to see exactly what we've got. Back to the edit card. It just has a little note here. Let's just quickly read that. It just says, hello BirchBoxers, infinite bodies, all in different shapes, sizes and colours, and all with one thing in common. Each one is unique. That's why this month we encourage you to start working on accepting yourself, loving your body and forgetting all about those external judgments. Take care of your body every day because you only have one and it is as unique as you are. That's really nice. If you are interested in purchasing this box for yourself, it is $12.95 per month. I have a link. I will pop that in the information box and the comment box. Give that link a click, and if you are purchasing for the first time, that will get you 30% off if you are going to purchase a 3, 6 or a 12-month subscription, which is a nice little saving, to be honest. So the first product we have is this. So this is by the brand Morning Street and it's brightening conditioner, argan and Mueller oil. Okay, first of all, it's one of my pet peeves to just get either a shampoo or a conditioner, and yes, we've only got a conditioner. The RRP for this is £16.90 if you are getting a full size. This is not a full size. This conditioner is a real life hair changer. This freshly scented treatment strengthens, hydrates and protects strands whilst giving you more shine than ever before. Thanks to its nourishing formula of argan and marula oil, your mane will never be the same. Okay, so like I say, it is a pet peeve that you only get one, but I do believe in one of the previous boxes a few months ago, and I don't know if it was BirchBox, but in one of the boxes that I unboxed, I'm sure I got a shampoo. Hopefully this will go with that and I'll have a set. But yeah, really happy to get it, but I really would have loved a shampoo to go with it. So yeah. Second product we have is this. This is by the brand Ultrasun and it is Face 30 SPF. The RRP for this is £22. If it was a full one, this hopefully is not because it's only 7 mils. It just says this fast absorbing facial SPF is an all-in-one skincare combination. Not only does it provide sun protection, but it also battles signs of aging and hydrates the skin. Plus, it has a matte finish, which allows you to perfectly layer your makeup on top. Okay, that I do like. It says it's water resistant as well. So I wear sunscreen every day. I normally go for a factor 50 if I'm honest. But we'll give this a go and see what it is like. I am always on the hunt for the perfect SPF for my face because I have melasma, so that's why I like to wear it every day. Oh, it's tiny. That is really cute. Is that? Oh, it's not. Let's just give it a little go. I've just popped a tiny bit there. Okay, it hasn't left a white cast, but I am very fair, so if you have darker skin, you'll obviously have to test that out for yourself. No scent that I'm picking up in any way. Okay, yeah, can't wait to try that out. The third product we have is this very pretty packaging. So this is by the brand Mana Qatar. I hope I'm saying that correctly. The RRP for this is £23. I don't know if this is a full size or not, got no idea. And this is a glow illuminator. Look lit from within with this illuminating liquid, like candlelight in a tube. Mix this universally flattering incandescent liquid with your favourite foundation or wear alone for a luminous all over glow. This hydrating formula imparts a youthful glow after all the youth that I can get, and dewy finish which is flattering for all skin types. Okay, so let's open it up and see. I wasn't going to open it, but who am I kidding? This looks familiar. Have we received this before? Or is it just because we've received lots of illuminating stuff like this before? I don't know. But there it is there. It smells lovely. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, it's like a pinky colour with tiny little pinky glitters in it. Shimmers, I should say. I'll have to actually give that a proper go to see what it is like. Fourth item we've got is this. So this is by the brand James Reed, and it's a gradual tan sleep mask tan body. The RRP for this is £35 if it was a full size. This is not. It just says get that summer glow by morning with this gradual tanning mask. Simply add all over your body and wake up with a subtle sun-kissed skin. That sounds nice if you are into tan, which I'm really not. It just says build your desired colour by layering night by night for easy results. It actually says effortless, but I always struggle saying that, so we're going to say easy for easy results. This treat is also enriched with red algae and hyaluronic acid to keep skin soft and hydrated. Avoid contact with water for 8 hours after applying. Yeah, cool. So if you are into tan, fantastic, you're gonna love it. If you're not really into tan like me, yeah, I don't know. Although I might try it on my legs because I bought a long flowy dress, you will see in a haul video. I bought it for the summer just to see how I go with the dress, and my legs are wider than wide, so I might have to give it a go, which I don't want to because I don't like tan, but you know, we've got to do what we've got to do. Fifth and final product we have on the box is this. So this is by the brand Nuxe, and it's a revitalizing granular scrub. I cannot talk today. The RRP for this is £18.50 if it was the full size. Again, this is not. It just says you don't need a holiday to get radiant skin. This exfoliating body scrub will do the job in time for summer. Infused with green tea and bamboo, this scrub removes impurities to leave your skin soft and glowing with long-lasting hydration. Especially good for dry skin in the summer months. Okie dokie. I love a good scrub. I think I use them a bit too often, but popped a little bit there just to have a little play with. Oh yeah, very grainy. Oh god, that smells so goddamn delightful. I'm using that tonight, definitely, because that stinks so good. So this is the June BirchBox. This edit is all bodies are good bodies. What do you think? Personally, I think this is quite a good little box. I mean, I am going to try that tan out because my legs are like whiter than white, practically see-through and glow in the dark. So I think I will give that gradual tan a go, even though my body is screaming no, don't do it, but we will. I know there's a lot of people out there that do not like tan products, and that generally is me. I'm really not happy to get just a conditioner. Like, again, I like to have a matching set. Even if they give me a smaller sample of a conditioner with a matching size shampoo, I'll be happy with that, definitely. The body scrub, guys, that smells so good. I actually wish that was bigger, way bigger. The SPF 30 for my lighter skin. I didn't see a white cast when I tested it out there. Again, if you've got darker skin, do test it out. And yeah, the illuminating thingy-majig. We've had loads of them over the months. Not exactly that brand, I don't think, but yeah, I can take or leave that. But overall, it is a nice little box, and I can't wait for next month. What do you think? Let me know, comment down below. Did you get the same as me? Did you get any different products? Also, I'm nosy, I need to know these things, so yeah, let me know. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.